miles an hour plus, pulls up into 3.5 G loop. That's 3.5 times your body weight, folks.
It's going up. It's going up. Right? But he'll fall down.
100 miles an hour on top, he brings it down the backside. Whoa. As chip repositions, he'll be coming in doing an Immelman to a split S. An Immelman starts out looking like a loop. When he gets on top, he rolls 180 degrees, flies straight and level for a period of time, then rolls 180 degrees and pulls it on through and the completion of the S. That's why it's called a split S. From your left to your right, Chip Lamb in an Immelman to a split S.
Choose ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡು
It's on top and rolls 180 degrees. Flies straight level for a while, rolls again, and completes the split S. These aircraft are true warbirds. They were used in Algeria by the French. They were used in Cambodia, Laos, and Vietnam by the U.S. forces. Cambodian, Laotian, and Vietnamese forces. This aircraft does not have hard points to carry guns, rockets, and bombs, but that's what they did. They modified it. They called it a Delta or a D model, and they put hard points on it. They put armor plating on it, and put an ejection seat. From your right to your left in a 4-point roll. You'll stop at every 90 degrees of turn. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Chip will reposition and come back in and do a barrel roll. A barrel roll is like a turn around a barrel in the sky. It starts out looking like a loop, but as he turns, after 90 degrees of heading change, he'll be inverted. You can follow the smoke as he makes his turn around the barrel in the sky. Degrees of heading change, he's inverted, and follow the smoke. You can see he's turned around the barrel. Next maneuver Chip's going to do is a slow roll. Slow roll is a tough competition. Coordinated rudder movement using all the from your right to your left in a slow roll. As Chip completes a slow roll and departs to your